Hi everyone, welcome back. I am Ujjwal Kumar and in this video I will show you how to fix Apple Music app not working on Windows 11. If the Apple Music app is not working properly on your Windows 11 PC, you can use the built-in repair option first and then reset the app if repairing it does not solve the problem. First, open the Settings app on your Windows 11 PC. Now, from the left side, click on Apps. Here, click on Installed Apps. Now, find Apple Music from the list of installed apps. You can also use the search box at the top to find Apple Music quickly. Once you find Apple Music, click on the three-dot menu next to it and select Advanced Options. Now scroll down until you find the Reset section. Here, click on the Repair button and wait for Windows to complete the repair process. Once the repair is completed, you should see a check mark next to the repair option. Now open Apple Music and check if the problem has been fixed. If Apple Music is still not working, return to the same page and click on the Reset button. A confirmation message will appear, so click on Reset once again to confirm. Wait until the reset process is completed and you see the check mark. Now open Apple Music again and check if it is working properly. This should solve the problem with Apple Music on your Windows 11 PC. That's it. If this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.